First and foremost, what I want to stress about this vehicle is there is literally nothing original on this truck aside from its body panels. We have completely stripped it down, started from scratch, made a full custom frame with our own radius arm up front suspension with 2.5 Fox coilovers and cantilevered rear suspension on a 4-link, double triangulated 4-link with the same 12-inch shank 2.5 Fox coilovers. But with that cantilever, it has gave us the opportunity to re-engineer the geometry of that system and get that 12-inch shank shock working 18 inches of travel. So come on in here and we'll give you a close-up view of what this underbelly of the beast looks like. So first and foremost, I just want to explain and thank again Kingston Parts Supply for giving us all the materials to make all this stuff possible. But what we have here is our custom frame hooked up to, like I was saying before, our custom-made radius arm links go into our axles, which are Curry Dana 44 high pinion in the front to give us our right drive shaft angle and better clearance when we're out there in the trails. Custom cross member to hold that transmission in place with our transfer case. Coming back, we've got all Holley tuning with Holley fuel system in this truck. So everything here is no longer GM, it's all Holley, just because the functionality and the tuning abilities, it makes it so much easier for us to work with. So back here we have our triangulated 4-link hooked to our Curry 9-inch fabricated housing with a high pinion as well for those great drive shaft angles. We did build a custom fuel cell to fit this chassis like a glove. Everything here, like I said, has been touched by our hands, made, fabbed, designed to fit this vehicle like it came off the showroom floor this way. We have a fully stainless steel exhaust coming from our hot pipes back. This is all done by Borla, but fabricated in-house as well. And this is a better view of this beautiful rear end of this truck. Okay, here's our fabricated 9-inch housing along with our custom-made cantilever setup for these square body pickup truck. So this is using, like I said before, the same 2.5 12-inch shank coilover that we're doing up front, but this is allowing us to get 18 inches of travel out of that. We've mounted our reservoirs up tight. Everything hides away in here, tucks away like it is a factory vehicle. You're not going to see all this craziness until you get up on it and underneath it. Back here we have our custom skid plate that we made. It doubles as a bracket for our fuel cell, all insulated with foam to ensure that nothing's rattling, no metal on metal contact, and keep everything working and running beautifully.